Did you know that herbal infused oils can elevate your meals while boosting your health? These aromatic oils not only add flavor, but also pack a nutritional punch that can transform your cooking. Start by trying this simple method. Take a carrier oil like olive or grapeseed oil and choose your favorite herbs. Basil, rosemary, or garlic work wonders. Just one ingredient can transform the oil into a powerhouse of flavor and health benefits. Fill a clean glass jar with your chosen herbs and cover them completely with the oil. Seal the jar and place it in a warm spot, allowing it to infuse for about 1 to 2 weeks. Shake it gently every few days to mix the flavors. Imagine drizzling this fragrant oil over fresh salads, hearty pasta dishes, or grilled vegetables, enhancing both taste and nutrition in every bite. Herbal oils are rich in antioxidants and can support digestion, reduce inflammation, and even boost your immune system. After the infusion period, strain the oil through a cheesecloth into a clean bottle. Now you have a delicious homemade herbal infused oil ready to elevate your culinary creations. Would you try this? Share your favorite herbs or recipes in the comments.